Welcome to day 2 of Guess My Number. So today, after you watch the video, I would encourage you to look at the description in the video as well, because I'm listing all of the clues, and within that description I'm also going to put some links for the different vocabulary words that come up. So if you forget what the word multiple means, for example, you could play that game and brush up on that activity. So here we go. First clue for today. The number is a multiple of 10. The digit in the tens place is even. The third clue, the number is greater than 71. And the fourth clue for today, and the final one, the number is a 2-digit number. All right, come back tomorrow and see the answer for this problem and get a new puzzle tomorrow as well. Good luck.